What if I teach you one verb every day for the rest of the year? Do you think you could manage to learn Igbo by the end of the year? I think you would. But before we start with the verbs, today, on the very first day, we're going to look at these container phrases that help us express these verbs in different tenses and scenarios in Igbo. The first we are looking at here is anam. Anam means I am doing the action of the verb. When you say anam, you say the verb. Tell someone that you're doing the action of the verb. Then the next one we have is agam. Agam means I will do the action of the verb. That's like your future tense in English. And the third one we have here is amam. Amam means I know how to do the action of the verb. It can be a criticism, like someone does the action of the verb a lot. If we're talking about things like sleeping, right, or eating, then that means someone does those things a lot. But if you're talking about cooking, then it just means pure skills. It means I have the skills to do this thing. Literally, I know how to do this thing. Then the next one we have there is achorum. Achorum is I want to. Achorum, I want to. And that means I want to do the action of the verb. It can also mean I'm about to do the action of the verb. And the last we have on this list is dash, dash, dash. Namasim. That is where we put the action of the verb and then we say namasim. When we say the verb, we say namasim. And that means we like doing the action of the verb. Think of eating. Maybe I like eating, or I like playing soccer, or I like, this is how we can talk about our hobbies in Igbo. This is going to be a very interesting and fulfilling class for you if you stick around. We have variations to these phrases. For example, there is the negation. There is the part where we would learn to talk about other people. And there is the part where we would learn to talk about the other variations like agamacho, right? And different things like that. So we are going to take this in batches. The first one I've listed here, we would use it for all the verbs we are going to be learning for the month of January. And when we get to February, we'll now start learning the negation. And we'll keep bringing them back all through the days till the end of the year. And this is going to be daily. So if you follow me, you'll be able to see these videos, because if you don't, you may never see my videos again.